Hey guys, welcome to Short No Life. So in today's video, this is another Madam Glam video, but there's a lot going in today's video. But first up, Madam Glam is releasing a new collection today called the House of Color collection. They have 8 new colors, but I have 4 colors to show you guys today. The first color is Live Colorfully. This is just a beautiful orange. This is like that staple basic kind of orange that you need, but also on the bright side, if that makes sense. Like, I love this color. This is one I know I'm going to use all of the time. Next up is Glorious. I love the names. I don't know why, but I just love the names of this collection. So Glorious is this beautiful blue. It kind of has a purple tone in person, but it is just so beautiful. I love this color. And then next up is Your Sublime. Such a cute name. So this is a beautiful green color as well. This is, like I said, perfect for this summer season. So many sets you can do with this. I'm definitely going to have to do a set with these colors because I did not do one today. I just wanted to show you guys the color. And the last color I have is Pink Madness. But I do want to quickly mention that Madam Glam is having a 50% off sale today, the 13th and the 14th, the same day as it's released. So definitely take advantage of this coupon code and pick these colors up because they are just so beautiful. I feel like they are a necessity for summer. Like, these are some colors you would go back to over and over again. I love these colors. The link and the coupon code will be down in the description box. So definitely, like I said, take advantage and get the colors you've been wanting for a while. Like I said, there's a lot going on in this video, and I am going to tell you the difference between reflective gel and holographic gel. This is Oh What Fun, and it is actually a holographic and reflective gel. So holographic is those magical shifting rainbows you see in the polish. So anything that has that rainbow look, that's going to be your holographic. So as I said, this is reflective. So anything you see that has that silver sparkle in it, that's going to be the reflective portion. So the reflective is silver and the holographic has that magical shifting rainbow. This one is a holographic cat eye gel. And all you can see if you see this in person is a magical shifting rainbow. It is so beautiful. And that's the difference really between a holographic and a reflective. One reflects the rainbow and the other reflects just a silver shimmer, if that makes sense. So to start off, we're going to build these nails up. I have plenty of videos showing you how I build these up because I really want to explain to you guys the inspiration of the video. So I am going to use the holographic gel as my inspiration. But before I say that, I would say I was actually inspired by chrome, by the glazed donut chrome trend. And it made me think about how the holographic gel polish kind of gives that glazed donut feel a little bit. So I kind of decided I wanted to do something like that, play on that glazed donut kind of look, if that makes sense. And that's how I came up with my design. And then I also really wanted to do some clouds. So yeah, that's where the clouds came in. That was the inspiration behind my set today, and I really wanted to explain it to you guys. But I'll be quiet and let you enjoy me building these nails up. I have filed and shaped off camera. I did kind of build these and shape these on a thinner side today because I didn't know how many layers I was going to do. So now that I have filed and shaped, I am just putting a layer of base coat on the nails. Next, I'm going to take this color called Healing Glam, and I believe this was a part of the last new collection. It is a beautiful purple color, and I'm just going to do 2 coats on the middle and the ring nail. Next, I'm going to take this light lilac color and I'm going to put it on my palette, and I'm going to use a brush to apply this to the nail. I would actually use the brush out of the polish if I do this again. I just felt like I had a little bit more control with this brush, but I feel like I was perfectly fine using the brush out of the gel polish. So I'm just kind of creating 2 heels, if that makes sense. And this is kind of like when you're looking at clouds sometimes and you see kind of a mountain view and it's kind of sometimes uneven. That was where my mind was going, but I didn't want it to actually look like a mountain. I just wanted some shapes there. But that was the inspiration, was like I saw the clouds kind of hovering over a mountain. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just gonna just do 2 heels, and I did 2 coats of both color. Next up, I'm going to take this holographic cat eye, and I'm just putting it over the Healing Glam color. And this is where the holographic comes in. I do want to say I only put it over the Healing Glam and not light lilac. I wanted that contrast to pop when it had a shiny top coat on it, and that's what I did. And I didn't use the cat eye magnet or anything. I could have, but I'm not good at the cat eye magnet yet, so I didn't know how to make that sparkle pop. So yeah, it was a bit of more practice. I'll get that. So I'm just going to velvet and matte top coat all the nails because I'm about to draw on the nails and I like to draw on a matte surface. And I'm gonna be honest, this is my favorite matte top coat. So during this sale that they're having, I would definitely recommend picking it up. And then I'm going to use Perfect White, and this is how I create my clouds. I use this cotton swab and I just dab it onto the nails. And I'm really just doing blobs beside each other. I'm not trying to make the shape yet. So what you want to do is get a dry cotton swab and dab at it. This one has a little bit of alcohol in it, and I kind of learned my lesson after I did this one. This was the tester nail, so that's what I was showing you. So you just dab on your polish and then get a dry one and you just dab the bottom to diffuse it, and that's going to give you that cloud shape. This is the best way I have done it so far, and I really like the outcome. So with these middle nails, to add a little bit more interest on these nails, I would actually recommend doing like a vertical ombre or some type of ombre, or even just kind of doing, I don't know, splatter design in the back, just to give it a little bit more interest if the plain solid color is just not interesting enough. Definitely add more texture to the nail. So I just showed you my brush, and this is my dotting tool. The brush, I cut off some of the hairs because I really wanted it to be super thin. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your dotting tool, dot on the nail, and then take that super thin brush. I had a bead of polish on there, and I dragged up and I dragged to the side to create 4-point stars. I'm going to be honest and say I ended up covering these up in the end with a little bit of bling, but this still looks very beautiful without the bling. Now is bling time, and I am going to use these opal rhinestones in today's set. I will be honest and say I went a little overboard, and that's because I just thought it was so pretty, and I just kept adding more and I loved all of it. I thought it was so cute. So I'm just putting the smallest opal rhinestone I have on the 4-point stars I created. And I did put 4-point stars on the ring and the pinky. I did not show you guys when I was filming, but I did add them. So I'm just going to add some glue here and put this charm on. This charm actually inspired the opals for the rest of the set. And off camera, I kind of blinged everything up. I want to explain the bling a little bit. So as you know, the opal stars, the opal diamonds and the caviar beads around them are supposed to be stars. And then the rest of the little caviar beads around the nails, I guess you can call them like planets that are far away, or you can call them stars, but the stars that are like have the 4 points are closer. I don't know. It kind of made sense at the time, but that's the inspiration, that the caviar beads were supposed to be stars or planets, whichever one. I may have went a little bit overboard, but I was having fun and I just thought it was super cute the more I did. So I am going to use the top coat and top coat everything except for the stones and the charm. I go around the charm and I go around the stones, but I do go over the caviar beads. So now that we're getting to the end of the video, I do want to explain the matte and shiny. So I am showing you that I did top coat this shiny, and it was shiny for like 3 days, and then I really thought about it and felt like this set deserved to be matte, so that's what I did. But this is the shiny part right here, all finished and done, and here is the matte version. And I love the matte. You can still see the holographic in person. My camera kind of doesn't pick it up too well, but this is just so much more beautiful to me than that. I really do love it. But I just want to say thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I make new videos twice a week. I want you to have an amazing day, guys. Bye.